Hi guys, I recently got the 25 feet drain snake kindly provided by seller, and it's been a real game changer for my home plumbing needs. This this tool is specially designed for home use, effectively tracking stubborn clogs in drain from hair and food resembling to grease. This carbon steel carbon cable is planched and tempered, which gives it a sturdy yet flexible build, making it reliable for long-term use. One feature is appreciated is a special head designed to prevent twisted and bending even in tiny pipes. It works simply with pipes from 1/4 to 3 inches, which is perfect for a range of household needs. Another highlight is the dual mode option, allowing manual and electric drill operation. Just make sure the drill speed stays with 416,000 RPM to avoid cable kinking and helpful tip mentioned in the instruction. The ergonomic grip at ABC drums shall make it comfortable and easy to handle and during extended use. I also noticed it could potentially save me a lot in plumbing cost, which is a added bonus. Overall, if you're looking for a durable, efficient, and easy to use drain snake, is definitely worth considering.